Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are trying something very new on this channel, and that is reflective gel polish. I am so excited to see what it means when it says reflective. Like if I'm walking down the street and, like I don't have any like flashers on while I'm walking in the dark, like you'll see my nails because they're reflective? Like, tell me more. So, if you are interested in checking out these beautiful Born Pretty polishes, please continue watching this video. Now, I am sponsored by Born Pretty, but I actually was on Amazon flipping through some of these polishes that I've never tried before. So, that is what we are going to be doing today. Now, if it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Delissime and I am a licensed nail technician. Here on the channel, we talk about nail art. We talk about nail designs. Sometimes I do some nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video to somebody who may be interested in nail tings. It has been such a long time, and I am just so grateful to be here sitting in front of the camera with all of you guys. I want to share my sincere gratitude and appreciation because you guys have been doing nothing but blowing up my shorts content. Let me tell you, I know I may have mentioned this in the other video, but we did reach 8 million views. I would not be here without all of you guys. So thank you so much for your dedication, your consistency. I love you all so much, and I cannot wait just to continue posting more videos. Waiting till I get to a better place where I feel creative. But I'm just happy that we are here together for this one. So without further ado, let's dive in. All right, you guys, I am so excited to dive into this video. Please let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoy me up in this little box corner giving you guys a full tutorial. So let's dive in. I'm so excited. We are trying the Born Pretty Reflective Polish. I'm excited for number one for all of my pink girlies out there. Now, I'm really getting quite a bit of gold coming through from this color, and I'm excited. Now, when it comes to the consistency of this gel polish, I definitely feel like it's a lot thicker, and that could be due to like the bigger flakes of glitter that's in this gel polish, but you can see that I am trying to make sure that it's nice and even, and we are gonna flash cure it for about 60 seconds. I love this UV light because it gives you 3 different modes. You have 10, 30, and a 60-second cure, and I just want to make sure that everything gets cured properly. The one thing that we don't want is for the polish to not cure at all. But you can see the hint of gold that I was talking about. Diving into our second polish, this is going to be number 2, Reflective Glitter, and this is so pretty. Now, I have all of my different clients, my friends who love their glitter. So when I was going online and I was searching for new polishes to try, the reflective glitter really caught my eye. So I'm excited to bring this video for you guys because not only are we trying Born Pretty, which is one of the sponsors of this channel, but we also get to switch it up and try different types, or I would like to say, I'd like to say like different modes of polish. Which is so funny. Yes, you guys can tell I'm still very much sick. Now, this is what it looks like cured, you guys. I am absolutely in love with. Let's get into number 3. Now, when I'm looking at this gel polish, the gold specs are absolutely perfect. I am okay with the consistency if I am going to be able to get this type of payoff when it comes to this gel polish. Now, you guys know Born Pretty is one of the sponsors of this channel. But this one was actually one that I purchased off of Amazon. So I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description box below. But you guys have to let me know so far which one is your favorite because number three is absolutely stunning. All right, so we have number four, which is giving a deep, deep purple. And the glitter bits I can definitely see shining. They are giving silver. This one is interesting because I know I've been mentioning like the consistency of this gel polish. This one's like extra thick. This one's like got a little some extra. And I'm contemplating whether or not I want to do one coat, if I want to do a secondary coat. I'm going to take a look once I am done with that 60-second cure. And honestly, I want that deep purple that it's giving in the bottle. So the second coat I feel like is absolutely necessary. When it's cured, it's so crazy because everything is like formed into one piece and it's like I don't know how to describe it. You guys describe it down in the comments. Five, what do you have going on for us? You know, I'm looking at it and it's almost giving like a dark grape Jolly Rancher as well. It's so funny. It almost looks pretty tasty. I'm curious to how it's gonna look. Yes, absolutely stunning. You guys can see the sparkle bits from a mile away. Okay, so number six is giving almost like a green jungle fantasy. This one might almost be perfect for this green dress that I'm thinking about wearing for my birthday because it is absolutely Taurus season. So I'm excited. Getting together with some friends, trying to figure out what I want to do for my birthday. But this emerald is so beautiful. I'm thinking I might have to do like a darker set. I feel like when it comes to sets on myself, I like to keep it, you know, like almost light. I like to keep it light. But the green is so freaking pretty. You guys, glitter gel polishes, and I am so excited because I want to know which one is your favorite down in the comments. Which one do you guys want me to use for my birthday set? Because I have to use at least one of these gel polishes because you guys, they literally hit. And I feel like, you know, like, I don't know, it's like, okay, so what? You're on a run like in the middle of the night and like we have our reflective gel polishes like can you see that? Can you see that? I'm gonna have to do like a car test because I am so curious. But look at how they turned out, you guys. That last one, that emerald, is so pretty. I am so excited to hear from you guys which one you guys love down in the comments. How are you doing? Do I have any Tauruses here watching this video? If I do, let me know which day your birthday lands on because I'm so curious. But yeah. While I was online, I was thinking about my glitter nail babes. Miss Joan comes to mind. I know Miss Elizabeth loves her glitter. I obviously love my glitter. So I cannot wait for them to be able to see all of the different colors and pick which one their favorite one is. Now, you guys already know which one mine is. So go ahead. I'll wait. Let me know down in the comments. You guys, I'm so sorry. I'm just having too much fun in front of the camera. But let me know down in the comments which one your favorite one is. I am going to be going back to work here in the next couple of days. I have been trying to rest up. I actually had a migraine yesterday. My body, I think, is literally just like shutting down. I'm getting over this sickness. You guys can literally hear how I sound like a freaking hog whenever I laugh. So I have to like try to be serious while I'm trying to film. But it is so hard for me to do that. Any Hoosers, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I have my link tree up at the top. So if you guys are interested in what I'm doing when I'm not on YouTube, I do be posting on there too. So I cannot wait to see you guys there. And I will see you for another video soon. Bye. Bye.